How to unarchive post on Facebook app. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you unarchive post on Facebook app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Facebook with your account. Alright, so after you open the Facebook app with your account, you'll go search interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option menu just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go the option settings and privacy. Okay, so from here tap on settings. And now from the setting and privacy you'll have to scroll down and go the options like activity log, so simply tap on it. Okay, so from here at the top left corner you'll able to see archive options, so simply you have to tap on that. Alright, so from this archive section you'll be able to see your archive post. So to unarchive that you'll have to just tap on the three dot of that option just at the right hand section of that post, so simply tap on it. And now from here you can easily go with the option restore. So after you tap on the restore option you'll be able to restore or unarchive your post on Facebook app. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.